Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Online Beauty Store. I am using latest PHP version 8 and this BootStrap theme. We have used the Visual Studio Code ID also. So this technology stack we have used for development this project. And this is a responsive theme. If you click on the inspect and if you click on that, then you can see. This is a mobile version of website. So this is all of the mobile version. So let's start the functionality of the project. Our project title is Online Beauty Store, and we have developed this project with two different type of interface. That is the front end face and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface, but both are responsive and we are using Bootstrap latest version. So this is a major project and from this project you can learn a lot of things. This is an academic project, students level projects. Student can learn how can create the database, how can manage the database, php with CRUD application, create, update, delete, many of things student can learn. So let's start the features of that we have developed inside the project. So this is a home page. You can check this is all of the mobile version page. So this is, you can see category. If you click on that, you can see all the category listing. This is a coming from database. So this is a home page. This is a header bar. You can search anything from here, like anything related to products. This is a about us page. This is a about us page. You can see this is a static page. Nothing dynamic in this page. This is a product us page. If you click, you can see all the product listing, all the products. All the products are coming from the database. This is a dynamic page. You can add the number of products from the admin panel. If you click on warm vanilla body wash, you can click on that. All the details about these products. Warm vanilla body wash. You can see the type, name, and the price. All the. This is a category page. So we have added 8 categories, but this is a dynamic. You can add number of categories from the database from the admin panel. We have a separate admin panel for that. If you click on the category like the lipstick, you can see 3 products are visible related to lipstick product category. This is a registration page. Here user can register here. This is a user login page and this is a contact us page. This is a dynamic page. Sorry, this is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. We have integrated a small map here, you can see. Now let's go. If I buy some products related to beauty, click on the products and now click on view details, and you can add the number of products like a 1, 2, 3. You can add from here. So 3 items are add to cart. So click on the add to cart. Oh, there is a restriction page. Without login, you can't buy the product. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any cosmetic products. Without account, you can't buy any product. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com, amit@gmail.com, and the password is test. This is a user dashboard. Okay, now click on the products and click on Velveta perfume. You can add three items and click on add to cart. The amounts get calculating automatically according to the quantity of products. So total amount is 6,600. That much amount you need to pay. After that, you can click on proceed to checkout button. After that, you will be able to see payment page. This is a dummy page, not real payment page. You can enter anything like a card number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and name of card like a Visa, Master, जो भी XYZ 12 and now click on the make payment page. You can see your payment has been done and this is order summary. You can see order from the order history, my order section. You can see you can see this is a user dashboard. You can see here total orders, confirmed orders, in transit orders, delivered orders. You can you can see all the details. So again coming on the dashboard, this is a dashboard page. You can see all of the order details and then this is a important links here. Either you can go on the page from this or either clicking on this page. So you can see if you want to you can see the order, then you can click on the eye icon. You can see order summary. This is a my account page. Here user can easily update his account and this is a change password. Here user can update your account password. So this is all about the front end page. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see you can see this administration option is showing, logout option is showing and the dashboard option is also showing. If I log out then you can see, if I log out then you can see all menu has been changed and according to the login. So this is all about the front end panel and what we have developed inside the project. Now comes the admin panel. From the admin panel, you need to open first admin. So this is a admin panel dashboard. You need to log in, right? So without login, you can't access the page. So admin@gmail.com is user ID and the password is staged. Now click on the sign in. Oh wow, this is a very great dashboard. This is a admin dashboard. You can see all the categories like a registered customer, all products, all orders. This is a very attractive and the dashboard. Here you can see the total orders, total delivered orders, confirmed orders, order in transit. You can see everything from here. So this is the dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing because you can minimize it from here like this and you can refresh the page will comes again. Also here the order section, total of customers and the products. This is the quick menu. From here you can go on the page. You can see this is the menu. If this is the view of the page, but if you don't want to hide, so this is the main options like this. Click on that menu has been hide and now click on it. All menu has been visible. So this is this dashboard page. Now comes on the product management. Click on add to product. Here admin can add new products from the product management page, and these products you have added, you can see there is a pagination here. You can see there is a basic pagination here, and this is a product report page. You can see all products report. You can easily edit and delete from here. If you click on the edit, now click on the edit, the product will be open in the edit format. And this is a product report. Here you can see the product report, and you can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. You can disable or enable the columns from it. If you don't want to see the type, like click on the type, just click on that, then type, right? Then you can see the type is not coming here. You can see. But if you want to click on type, you can see types is visible here. So this is power of the table. Same for the category. Here admin can add new category from this page, and this is a category report. You can see all the category report. This is a all orders management page. You can see. If you want to click on view icon, you can see the order details. If you want to this order is confirmed, but you want to order cancel, then click on the cancel button and update. You can see the order has been cancelled. This is the order management page. This is a customer management page. Here admin can add the new customer from here, and this is a customer report page. Same for a product management as a category management. You can see all the customers, and this is a change password. Here admin can easily change his password, and this is a logout option. So this is the admin panel. You can see the view of the admin panel, and you also view the user panel. So we have to develop these two different type of view for the managing this whole project. So this is all features we have developed inside the online beauty store project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop a new project according to your requirement. So please don't forget, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.